How to fix this promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. I have made a step-by-step tutorial so you can just get your solution in just few minutes. First of all, you have to log in into your account and make sure you log out. And when you log out, make sure you log in once again and then you have to go to my account. On the left side, you will see a lot of options. In the bottom second, you will find my vouchers. Here on the screen, you can see in my account, I have 3 vouchers which I can use. So if you are facing a problem where you can't or not able to redeem the vouchers in your purchases because you doesn't comply with terms and conditions. So here, make sure you just read the terms and conditions of each vouchers. Just click on TNC and it will show you the TNC, the terms and conditions, and then only you can apply it over your purchase, right? And just click on use. If you just tap on use, Shopee will show you all the products where these vouchers can be used on this purchase of these products, right? And this is how you can solve your problem. I hope you found this video very useful.